WeatherTech's Rear Bump Step provides you with a safe, simple way to get in and out of your 97 or newer F-150's truck bed without climbing up or over your bumper and slipping or falling. This removable step also provides some bumper protection in parking lots and against anyone who might tap the rear end in traffic. The install on this is extremely simple. All you're doing is connecting this to your tow hitch. So I'm giving this a very soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expect it to take you about 15 minutes. This bump step is nice because it's relatively lightweight. It's made out of a durable injection molded resin instead of steel, so you don't have to worry about lugging this thing around or letting it rust if you keep it installed outside. Even though it's made out of plastic, it can hold up to 300 pounds. I think this is a good load rating because it'll support you and whatever you're trying to hoist into your truck bed, like wood beams or anything else you might be hauling around. The top of this step has a molded tread pattern, so there's less risk of you slipping off like you might if you were standing on your bumper. And looking underneath the step, you'll see there's some angular fins behind the rear portion of the step. This will allow flex and will absorb impacts if you're ever unfortunate enough to have a run-in with another car or if you back up into anything in a parking lot while reversing. This step is easily removable since it installs directly into your 2-inch trailer receiver. However, if you decide to leave the bump step installed, you won't have to worry about someone trying to steal it since it comes with a theft deterrent pin, similar to the one that comes with a bike carrier. It just adds some peace of mind. WeatherTech's Bump Step is the most affordable truck bed step in this category at just under $60. There are other options if you want a step that is a bit longer or if it is made out of steel, but those are going to start at about $100, almost double the price for the same functionality. I mentioned before this is going to be a simple installation. I'm giving this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and expect it to take you about 15 minutes or less. We're not going to be needing any tools once you get the step out of the box. First, take your bump step and slide the 2-inch square portion into the 2-inch receiver with the groove tread pattern facing up. Align the step to the deepest hole position allowed by the receiver. Then, insert the hitch pin into the hole and secure the step. After it's secure, you're good to go. That wraps up my review and install of WeatherTech's Rear Bump Step. Check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.